Hey there, car enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a sneaky issue that might be lurking under your car's hood, an evaporator leak in your AC system. Now, you might be thinking, what on earth is an evaporator leak? Well, buckle up because we're about to break it down for you in simple terms. So, you're cruising down the road, and suddenly your car's AC isn't blowing as cold as it used to. You might chalk it up to a hot day, but what if the problem lies within your car's AC evaporator? The evaporator is part of your car's AC system that cools the air before it blows into your cabin. When this component has a leak, it can spell trouble for your comfort and your wallet. One of the first signs of an evaporator leak is a noticeable decrease in cooling efficiency. If your AC isn't as cold as it once was, or if it takes longer to cool down, you might have a leak. It's not just about feeling a little warmer. It's about recognizing a potential problem early. Next, let's talk about the smell. Yes, the smell. An evaporator leak often comes with a distinctive, musty odor. Imagine turning on your AC and getting hit with a smell reminiscent of dirty socks. Not exactly pleasant, right? This happens because moisture builds up in the evaporator and can foster mold growth when there's a leak. Another clue is a greasy film on your windshield. Leaking refrigerant can mix with other components in your car's AC system and create a film that ends up on the inside of your windshield. If you notice this greasy residue, it's a clear sign that something isn't right. You might also hear some unusual noises. A hissing or bubbling sound when you turn on your AC could be the refrigerant escaping from the evaporator. These sounds are subtle, but if you listen closely, they can give you a heads up before things get worse. Now, you might be wondering how this leak happens. The evaporator is often located deep inside your dashboard, making it tricky to reach and inspect. Over time, it can develop tiny cracks due to wear and tear, corrosion, or even impact from debris. These cracks allow the refrigerant to escape, leading to the symptoms we just talked about. So, what do you do if you suspect an evaporator leak? First off, don't ignore it. Running your AC with low refrigerant can cause more damage and lead to a costly repair. Take your car to a trusted mechanic and have them perform a thorough inspection. They'll likely use a special dye or a refrigerant detector to pinpoint the leak. Once the leak is confirmed, your mechanic will probably suggest replacing the evaporator. It's not a cheap fix, but it's necessary to restore your AC's performance and prevent further issues. In some cases, they might also need to replace other components that have been affected by the leak, like the compressor or the condenser. Before we wrap up, let's talk about prevention. Regular maintenance is key. Have your AC system checked periodically, especially before the summer heat kicks in. This way, you can catch potential issues early and keep your AC running smoothly. So, what about you? Have you ever dealt with an AC evaporator leak in your car? How did you figure it out, and what steps did you take to fix it? Share your experiences in the comments below, and let's get a conversation started. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks to keep your car in top shape. Thanks for watching, and happy driving!